Welcome back to Technology YouTube channel. So we know that the 16-pin connectors were breaking. So now manufacturers have come with something and it was shown in Computex. As you can see on the screen here, during Computex they show off two different prototypes. First is a cable where the cable is shown in yellow and black, which technically means like when the cable is perfectly inserted into power supply for the 18 pin connector, that yellow part will not be seen, and if you see a little bit of yellow then it means that the cable has not been inserted properly. So yeah, the demo has been shown, and yeah, if you see this kind of a yellow dot, it's not inserted, and if you don't see it, it's inserted properly. But this just shows that those 16 pin connectors have problems. And also Asus has shown off something nice, which delivers up to 600 watt. They showed 4070 RTX 4070, but it's on their proprietary motherboard. As you can see, there's no cable coming out, though the 600 watt is going backside of the motherboard, and there is a proprietary thing on the motherboard and on the graphics card which delivers you up to 600 watts directly to the graphics card with the connector, and it uses PCIe, but it just shows maybe it's a nice for aesthetic, but there's so many things need to be done, and it's a proprietary technology, so we don't know whether MSI will have it or not. Moving on, we have news regarding Raptor refresh. We know like some vendors have received early BIOS for the Raptor Lake refresh desktop CPUs just a week ago, and this just confirms it. We won't getting Meteor Lake, but we are getting Raptor Lake refresh. And during Computex, they shown off some of the new motherboards. Technically, no new motherboards. They have shown some config, like some refresh kind of a motherboard where the 790 motherboard which are refreshed, and it has pretty high power draw, so it basically confirms it that the next generation of graph CPUs from Intel will have more power, as they have said they have been designed to support more powerful future CPUs, so it might require more power, which is a bummer. Intel CPUs already needs too much power to support, and this thing with high power future CPUs, it looks bad because i9 3900, you know, it gets, if you overclock all cores, it gets up to 400 watts, or which is truly insane. But yeah, and we know Raptor Lake refresh will have a slight bump in core frequency to 6.2 to 6.5 gigahertz. So yeah, and also during Computex we saw Yun Yang, the from Nvidia, said that they are working with not necessarily Intel but Intel Foundry, and they got some first batch of GPUs, and they are pretty satisfied. It as Huang said, you know what, we also manufacture with Samsung, we are open to manufacturing with Intel. And Pat Gelsinger has said in the past that we are elevating the process, and we recently received the test chips result for the next generation process, and the results looks good. But they won't be doing it for the data centers and stuff like that, because moving everything from the TSMC to Intel will incur lots of costs, so they might be doing it for possibly graphics card. So Nvidia's graphics card maybe in the future for gaming may be made by Intel. We don't know what's wrong, but Intel's has its issues with semiconductors. So let's just see. It won't happen, but time will tell what will happen. But yeah, I will keep you updated regarding it. Nonetheless, we also have some news regarding, not news, but there might be a possibility that there is a launch of RTX 4090 Ti, because MSI and some GPU vendors have shown off their next generation GPU cooling technology, and they are basically using vapor chamber, liquid cooling, and various film designs. And yeah, it look, and the graphics model, it looks insane. So maybe the rumor of RTX 4090 Ti is truly in case, because as you can see, there is new fin design for graphics card, and this GPU block which uses vapor chamber looks insane, and they might be ready to launch RTX 4090 Ti, because MSI showcased some cooling technologies which uses vapor chamber. There was a one fin design which was with copper and aluminum, using both things of properties. One is Arctic Blow and stuff like that, and it's a hybrid cooling and stuff like that. And the graphics card is looking insane. So the rumors are true. Maybe After 4090 Ti, 50 series will have more power draw, and maybe possibly we need insane cooling and stuff like that. They will be more powerful, but they will generate more heat because RTX 4090 is already 4 slot card. 4090 Ti, if it launches, it might have 4 card slots. But yeah, this just confirms it. Like GPU vendors are also making a big progress, like testing cooling systems for upcoming GPUs. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Sound off your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.